Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some WeatherGuard plastic bins for 13.5-inch deep shelving. Let's get into it. All right, these WeatherGuard bins are sold as a set of 6. This happens to be part number 9855-7-02. It's basically the bins that's designed for the 13.5-inch deep shelving. They actually redesigned these, or I guess created new bins about a year ago. And the thing that's great about these is they fit much better than the old bins. And I don't think the old bins were actually like a WeatherGuard specific branded bin. They're just kind of an off-the-shelf bin that worked and were red. These ones are WeatherGuard. You have our WeatherGuard logo as part of the mold here. And again, these are a little bit narrower in depth to fit on those 13.5-inch deep shelves. Great thing about this design here is you can kind of see there's like a little lip or indentation right there that's going to fit over top of the shelf lip, so it keeps the bin in place. You simply lift it, pull it out. So a lot of great things about these. This is a heavy duty bin, by the way. This is not a cheap, flimsy plastic bin that you can get from some stores. High quality. We do have a location right here for our label. It looks like they do have plans to add in the ability to put in dividers, or if you wanted to make your own, they do have some slots inside the bin itself. As far as I know right now, they don't have that, but it looks like potentially coming in the future. Nice thing about these is that they do have a design right here. There's a little spot to cradle one as you put them on top of each other. So if you've got multiple bins going into the supply house, filling up all your fittings or whatever you want to put into the bins, everything fits in place and not going to fall easily. So again, this is for that 13.5-inch deep shelf. They also make them for the 16-inch deep shelves. Now, if you're interested in kind of the internal dimensions of this, we do have 5 3/4 inch width inside here. In terms of our overall height, we're gonna have 5 inches. That's gonna get you to the top of the edge right here. It won't conflict with, stacking. And then from front to back, there's a couple different ways to measure this. If we look just kind of like total flat area, it's 9 1/4, but if we go all the way up to like the edge right here, we're at 11 inches. So plenty of space in here for whatever you may need. Again, sold as a set of 6. We've got 3 on the top of the box here and then 3 below. And this is just a nice, simple accessory to add to your WeatherGuard shelves so you can organize your supplies, equipment, tools, whatever you may want to put in here. It's a nice addition for your WeatherGuard shelving. Now, if you're looking for these bins, the shelves themselves, partitions, floors, steps, ramps, ladder racks, whatever it may be, anything to get your vantage rack ready for work, we've got it at UpfitSupply.com. My name is Ryan. Have a good one.